Mic testing 1 2 1 2. This is Virali. So 15 years ago, my life completely changed, total 180 degrees. When I was 15 years old, I actually was declared dead 3 times and I went into a coma for 23 days. I ended up coming out of the coma on my birthday at the exact time that I was born. Hey guys, my name is Virali Modi. I am a motivational speaker, a model, a disability rights activist, an influencer and a digital content creator. I'm here today at Aliens Tattoo and I cannot be more excited. So about a year ago, I wanted to get a very special tattoo done and I was searching for tattoo studios all over Mumbai, especially one right here in Malad West. And I came across Aliens tattoo page on Instagram. I did a lot of research, I looked through the designs and I just found them to be so beautiful, so they paid so much attention to detail and the artists are just so talented, and I was like, I have to get this tattoo done here, and I desperately wanted to become a member of the Aliens family. So 15 years ago, my life completely changed, total 180 degrees. When I was 15 years old, I actually was declared dead 3 times and I went into a coma for 23 days. I ended up coming out of the coma on my birthday at the exact time that I was born, which is 3:05 p.m. So the tattoo that I have on my right shoulder, I got a pocket watch done with the exact birth time because I believe that first of all, it's a rebirth for me. 3:05 p.m. coming out of the coma on my birthday at the exact time I was born. Total rebirth. And I feel that it was my time. I mean, this is why I got the tattoo. Everyone's time comes. And since this was a rebirth for me, it was my time to grow, my time to mature, and my time to do something impactful. And that's why I wanted to get this tattoo done, because it signifies that whole journey, that whole time, that all of the struggles that I've been through. And I wanted this pocket watch because it signifies that rebirth, that time to grow and mature and to create something impactful and to do something positive for the community. And I feel this was the right time to get this tattoo done because it signifies my journey, it signifies the struggles that I've had in life, and it's all come full circle for me and I could not be happier. So the first thing that I noticed when I came to Aliens Tattoo was the huge board that's outside where it just depicts aliens, and I thought that was brilliant. I loved the concept of it. I loved how simplistic it was. And upon coming into the studio itself, I was really surprised about the accessibility. I think that is the biggest thing that I look out for whenever I'm going anywhere. And to know that a tattoo studio is accessible for someone like me, I thought that was brilliant and I absolutely loved that. I was introduced to Sameer and I sat down. We spoke about the tattoo in depth, what I wanted, what I didn't want, and he sat with me totally sketching out the tattoo, doing a redesign of the whole thing, going through all of the intricate detailing, the specifics. I absolutely loved that part, especially about how personalized it was. This experience was so personalized and it just felt like family, talking to family, and I absolutely loved that. So I got my tattoo done by Abhishek, and the first thing that I have to say is, yaar, banda bahut shy hai. He is extremely quiet, he's extremely shy, and we had to take breaks, dance breaks, masti karne ke liye, just to get him out of his shell. And I think that was so necessary because once he did, he was very talkative and that whole experience just felt so personalized to me. But aside of that, like, he is so talented, the attention to detail that he has. He was explaining everything to me while he was doing it, and I love understanding about the technicality of things. And I just thought that was awesome, and I absolutely loved it. I absolutely loved the tattoo, especially him explaining everything and just being so warm and loving and just reciprocative. I loved that. I mean, I love this place. I love the people, I love the energy, the music, the ambience, everything. When I first came here, I actually felt like I was at home. I didn't feel like a stranger. Everyone welcomed me, and it's just an infectious vibe, and I cannot get enough of Aliens tattoo. And I just keep coming back here, and the love is reciprocated, and yeah, there's nothing much more to say except you guys are amazing, and there's just so much energy and positive energy that just radiates from this place. So hey guys, if you're looking to get a customized tattoo done, then you have to come over here at Aliens, especially for the energetic vibe, the amazing ambience, and the whole positive energy of this place. Because getting a tattoo done at Aliens is an experience.